Hey guys and dolls, I missed you. It's Tashira and I'm back with another video just for you. Today we're going to be talking about the best fine fragrances to wear to your man's house. So the first one, this is one of my absolute faves right now. This is Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Luxe. So this is super vanilla-y. It is indeed a luxe vanilla. It's more so like a marshmallowy type vanilla. So very smooth, creamy. It's just very sweet and very vanilla-y and delicious. And it's described as rich marshmallow and vanilla cashmere. If you are not a fan of super sweet scents, this one would not be for you. And also another super sweet one, this one is going to have you smelling like a caramel cookie of sorts. This is the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 71 Caramelized Vanilla and Macadamia. So if you like caramelized vanilla, if you like any sort of like caramely cookie type scent, this would be for you. This is super sweet, very strong. It's not gonna last like 10 hours or anything crazy like that because it's a fine fragrance mist, but this one will definitely have you smelling just like a delicious treat. Now, there's also one that's similar to that one, and it is the Cheirosa 62. This one is pistachio and salted caramel. So this one has a little bit more of a tropical type vibe to it, but it's still very sweet, very cookie-esque. That pistachio and that salted caramel is what makes it very much so just sweet. This one is a little lighter. It's not as heavy as the 71. The 71 is very heavy on the caramelized vanilla. This one is more so a lighter, like I said, more, you know, tropical-y type of vibe, but still very delicious. So the 62 has like some almond and a little bit of jasmine in there to kind of smooth it out and make it a little softer. And the 71, this one has tonka bean and coconut blossom. And also the macadamia nut is toasted. And then this one is also for my caramel lovers and coconut lovers. If you like anything that is like a caramel cake, a custard, just, you know, caramel toffee type of thing, you'll enjoy this. This is coconut cream pie from Bath & Body Works. So this has toasted coconut flakes, caramel custard, and golden pie crust. So this definitely smells like a coconutty, caramely type of pie. You can smell the flaky pie crust. Absolute dessert. You're gonna be smelling like a snack for sure. I get tons of compliments when I wear this all the time, like, is that you? What does that smell? What's smelling good? Because it smells like some sort of like cookie, cakey type dessert. And another one that's in the top for delicious smelling goods that you can wear to your man's house and have him sniffing you and be like, girl, ooh. This is Strawberry Pound Cake from Bath & Body Works. When I tell you this scent is strong, will have you smelling like a for real strawberry pound cake. It's like a sweet, cakey strawberry smell. You can indeed smell the cake and indeed smell those strawberries in there. So imagine a strawberry infused pound cake. That is what you will be smelling like, seriously. If you have not tried this, I would say go try it out, especially if you love cakey, gourmand type of scents. And next we have Pink Sugar. This is a very sweet, sugary, girly, feminine type of scent. It smells literally like what the name says it is, pink sugar. So it's like a crystallized sugar sort of smell. And this actually pairs well with a lot of things. So if you're wanting to mix fragrances or make something more intensified, this is extremely good. So for example, if you have cotton candy clouds and you want to kind of intensify it, make it even sweeter, this is good. I tried this along with Pink Velvet Cupcake. That is one of my favorite combos. I haven't tried it with Strawberry Pound Cake, but I'm pretty sure this would have it smelling a lot sweeter. Probably not as cakey, but more so on the sweet sugary side, like a sugary like strawberry. And then we have Forever Red. So this is a vanilla pomegranate scented type of scent. This is very sexy, very sultry. The notes in this are, of course, fiery red pomegranate, red peony, rich vanilla rum, and oak wood. So that deep oak wood gives it that sexiness added on top of the fruity vanilla type scent. Very good. And then you probably thought I was gonna leave this out, didn't you? It is the original Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. So this one is not as strong as that Bare Vanilla Luxe. This one is a lot softer, a lot creamier. So it's just an actual, I would say more of a pure vanilla. Like not a strong vanilla extract type of scent, but just like a cozy, warm, just snuggle up with me type of vanilla. It has whipped vanilla, soft cashmere, and it says it's like skin to skin. I can definitely agree. This is what I use when I'm going to sleep, but you can use it if you want to, you know, snuggle up with your boo or whatnot. It's calming, it's soothing. I cuddle up on my couch wearing this. This is also a staple if you love gourmand scents. And then, sultry, sexy, bae. This is the ultimate nighttime scent. This is Into the Night from Bath & Body Works. Now, I'm gonna read the notes to you because this one is a bit more intriguing, a bit more just mysterious. This has raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. So this one is definitely like a fruity, sexy, yet deep and kind of woody sort of scent. All of that mixed together. But this is so beautiful. And then finally, I could not leave this out. It is Fairy Tale. This smells like what I imagine any princess to smell like. It's so dainty, so delicate. This has notes of pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and warm amber. So it's like an orangey scent that is also sweet because of that vanilla bean in there. And then it has that, you smell really good. You make me want to follow you type of smell. That's the amber that I think is in there. And of course, like a little bit of the pomegranate nectar. Just perfect. Perfect. But those are the top scents that I suggest you wear to your man's house. He will absolutely love it. He will be sniffing you, wanting to cuddle you, and give you a hug. And you're definitely gonna hear that you smell good. Of course, you can wear these anywhere you want, but why not wear them to your man's house? If you like this video and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I thank you for watching. Hugs. Bye.